G'day, Tim Short from Muddy River here, demoing a 3.5 metre CT Joker in Northern Victoria. Demoing the machine here in rough, deep paddock, preparing a seedbed. Fair bit of dirt around the grass, we're trying to get a bit of root release. This unit here, we're running about 10-12 k's an hour. Breaking the clod down real well, preparing a real nice seedbed for the next cultivation. The CT Joker range that we're demoing starts at 3 metre and goes to 5 metre. The discs solder at a 520, 70 centimetres apart with a 640 open roller with some different options on the rollers. The discs themselves run a sealed bearing, sealed for life, so you've got a lot of longevity in this machine. For any more information, contact the team at Muddy River.